Peace. What's the deal? Shout out to the Build, Destroy, Rebuild community. You know what I'm saying? Got the day off today. We still got something to do later on, but about to go wash clothes, about to go handle some things, and I got a little minute to go hit my weapon of choice, the old jump rope. Let's get to it. Let's see what we can do. See what we come up with. Just jump around a little bit, no pressure. Go for about 10 minutes. Skip when I get tired. Take a little rest. Maybe a minute. Get right back into it. Took a little break from the rope, but I'm about to get right back to her. Like I said, this is my weapon of choice right here. Yesterday was day 20 of this journey. So, you know, every week gonna be better than the last. Every day gonna be better than yesterday. You know, I'm not in no competition with nobody. Just the guy that I was yesterday. That's the only man I'm in competition with. You just wanna get 1% better every day, man. It's not perfect, it's ups and downs. Just gonna keep moving forward though. Day 20 of the journey was yesterday. You know what I'm saying? So we going into infinity and beyond. Let's go. Back into it. That's cool. I'll take it. Just gonna work this rope in. Everything else stay the same. Still gotta get my 10,000 steps in. Working up to 15,000 steps. We still gonna do, you know what I'm saying, our daily core workout. Our daily essential, whatever you want to call it. Today is a pull day. So I'll be doing upright rows. Probably add a little something on there. As long as I do my upright rows, I'm cool. Still got to do all that, but we're just going to work this in there. Let's get it. Get my tricks back, man. You gotta sharpen up this dull blade, man. Blade got a little dull, man. We gotta sharpen that thing up, man. Let's build this thing back up, man, brick by brick. If you don't use it, you lose it. Shout out to Yard Out with Troy. I think he just changed his name to Build Muscle with Troy. Shout out to the brother. Talk about everybody got a sad story. Everybody got a story. Everybody angry. You know what I'm saying? Going through whatever they're going through. So am I. You know what I'm saying? I'm not comparing like as if mine is better than yours or anything like that. But no matter what your story is, man, just do something about it, man. Morning. That's cool, man. We'll take that. Just a little something before I go hit the road. We gotta wash clothes. You know what I'm saying? Just take care of the house, run a couple errands. We're gonna go on our little walk, 3 miles with the wife and the kids. Then we're gonna get back in here and get down to these roads. So I'm gonna catch y'all later on the day. In the meanwhile, peace, peace, peace. Build yourself, destroy your excuses, rebuild your life. You know what I'm saying? Gotta take it easy, man.